Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper board. It will look like this, okay? So first we have to start with a piece of paper. Then fold this end to the bottom of the paper like this, okay? Like this. The paper will become like this, okay? Now fold the paper like this. Now unfold it like this, and now bring this down like this so that it matches the line here. Do that with the other side. Like this. Okay, then fold this upwards like this. Okay, after that flip the paper over and turn this also up. Your paper will now look like this. It will look like a hat. Okay, so now open this like this, push this in this, okay, like this. Do that with the other side like this. Okay, now do this, and then now press the paper like this. You will get it like this, okay? Now keep it down and fold this up like this. Okay? Now flip the paper over and fold this upwards like this. Okay? Now hold these two things like this and pull it like this and open it. You will get it like this. Now turn the paper and open this like this. Okay guys, here you have your board ready. You can color it, decorate it the way you like it. Thank you. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.